are going to love the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, Sirius Satellite Radio, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.